Welcome to Jagriti Travel Solutions. Today we will explore why Switzerland truly feels like heaven on earth, from breathtaking mountains and crystal clear lakes to magical villages and scenic train journeys. Get ready to experience one of the most beautiful destinations in the world. Welcome to the magical world of Switzerland, a place where every mountain touches the clouds, every lake shines like crystal, and every road feels straight out of a dream. From breathtaking alpine views to peaceful villages, this journey will make you fall in love with nature all over again. Whether it's the snowy peaks, the scenic train rides, or the fairy tale beauty of the valleys, Switzerland is truly heaven on earth. Sit back, relax, and experience one of the most beautiful countries in the world through this cinematic adventure. Come with viral luxury travel style. Imagine a country where waterfalls dance through green valleys, trains pass through clouds, and every corner looks like a movie scene. Welcome to Switzerland. This video will take you through Europe's dream destination, filled with snowy mountains, scenic train rides, beautiful villages, crystal clear lakes, peaceful landscapes. If paradise exists on Earth, it probably looks like Switzerland. Soft poetic style. Some places are visited, but some places are felt deeply in the heart. Switzerland is one of those magical places where nature speaks in silence, mountains tell stories, and every sunrise feels unreal. This video is not just about travel. It's about emotions, beauty, peace, and the dream of exploring the world. Let the beauty of Switzerland take your heart away. Cinematic travel style. Switzerland feels like a dreamland, where nature shows its most beautiful side. Giant mountains covered with snow, waterfalls flowing through green valleys, peaceful lakes and fairy tale villages create breathtaking views everywhere. Whether it's the famous Swiss Alps, scenic train rides, or beautiful towns like Interlaken and Zermatt, every moment in Switzerland feels cinematic and magical. Emotional and romantic description. Switzerland is not just a country, it is a feeling of peace, beauty, and happiness. The fresh mountain air, quiet villages, sparkling lakes, and beautiful landscapes make people fall deeply in love with this place. Watching the sunrise over the Swiss Alps or sitting beside a peaceful lake creates unforgettable memories that stay in the heart forever. Luxury and nature description. Switzerland is famous for perfectly mixing luxury with natural beauty. The country is known for its world-famous chocolates, luxury watches, premium lifestyle, and breathtaking mountain views. Travelers can enjoy beautiful scenic landscapes during the day, and elegant cafes, shopping streets, and luxury experiences at night. It is truly one of the most stylish and beautiful destinations in the world. Some more short viral style description. Switzerland is a land of snowy mountains, crystal clear lakes, scenic train rides, and fairy tale villages. Every road here leads to breathtaking beauty, peaceful moments, and unforgettable memories. No wonder Switzerland is called heaven on earth. Detailed nature description. Switzerland is surrounded by the beautiful Swiss Alps and filled with stunning lakes, waterfalls, forests, and peaceful valleys. During winter, the country turns into a snowy wonderland, while summer brings green landscapes and colorful flowers everywhere. Famous places like Jungfraujoch and Lauterbrunnen Valley offer breathtaking views that make travelers feel like they are inside a real-life fairy tale. Switzerland is a country where every view feels magical and every moment feels peaceful. Surrounded by the breathtaking Swiss Alps, sparkling lakes, green valleys, and charming villages, Switzerland looks like a real-life paradise. The fresh mountain air, beautiful scenery, and calm atmosphere make travelers feel relaxed, happy, and deeply connected to nature. It is truly one of the most beautiful destinations in the world. Switzerland feels like a beautiful fairy tale brought to life. Wooden houses covered with flowers, peaceful mountain villages, snowy roads, and crystal-clear lakes create a dreamy atmosphere everywhere. Places like Lucerne and Interlaken are loved for their romantic beauty and peaceful surroundings that make every traveler fall in love instantly. Scenic journey description. One of the most special things about Switzerland is that even the journeys feel magical. Scenic trains pass through giant mountains, waterfalls, green valleys and peaceful lakes, offering breathtaking views from every window. Every road, every train ride, and every mountain path feels cinematic, making Switzerland a dream destination for travelers and photographers around the world. Emotional nature description. Switzerland is not just famous for its beauty, it is famous for the feelings it gives to people. Watching snowfall in the mountains, seeing the sunrise over the Alps, or sitting quietly beside a peaceful lake creates emotional moments that stay in the heart forever. The calm environment and natural beauty make Switzerland feel like a place where time slows down and life becomes peaceful. Luxury and peace. Description: Switzerland perfectly combines luxury with nature. The country is famous for its premium watches, delicious chocolates, beautiful resorts, and stylish cities, while still being surrounded by peaceful mountains and breathtaking landscapes. Travelers can enjoy luxury shopping and elegant cafes, while also experiencing the calm beauty of nature at the same time. Dream destination description. For millions of travelers around the world, Switzerland is a dream destination that feels too beautiful to be real. Snow-covered mountains, fairy tale villages, crystal lakes, waterfalls, and scenic train rides make every moment unforgettable. Whether visiting during winter or summer, Switzerland always looks magical and creates memories that last forever. Magical places description. Switzerland is home to some of the most breathtaking places in Europe. From the snowy beauty of Jungfraujoch to the peaceful waterfalls of Lauterbrunnen Valley, every destination feels unique and unforgettable. The beauty of these places makes travelers feel like they are exploring a magical world hidden inside the mountains. Peaceful lifestyle description. The peaceful lifestyle of Switzerland is another reason why people love this country so much. Clean roads, quiet villages, fresh air, and organized cities create a stress-free and relaxing environment. Whether walking through a mountain town or enjoying coffee beside a lake, every moment in Switzerland feels calm, beautiful, and refreshing. Now you know why millions of people dream of visiting Switzerland. Would you love to visit this paradise someday? Thank you for watching. Hope you love the beauty of Switzerland.